Hello, love you viewers. You are very welcome to this channel. You are very welcome to this channel. Today we are going to discuss the secret behind guitar soloing. The secret behind guitar soloing. You see, sometimes you hear people playing guitar solo and you wish you are the one playing it, but you find it difficult with your movement. You see, there are some secrets you have to know before you start soloing. If you can see, I was trying my best to do some solo on the guitar. Yeah, I was trying to say it's just a creativity. I was just creating something, and I was adding some chord to match with the solo. Yeah, so the secret behind guitar soloing is anytime you are playing your guitar, your chord have to move with your solo. Yeah, if it's 1-4-5, the 1-4-5 is do, fa, so. The do and the fa and the so is 1-4-5. If you are playing the solo around the 1-4-5 chord, you have to make sure you land in the 1-4-5 chord. But there are some secrets for you to move according to the board. So today we are going to talk about that. The number one, we are going to use key C. We are going to use key C because guitar starts from C. And if you want to start a solo as intermediate or as a beginner, you have to know your solo playing from key C. Then you take it from the other side. Okay, so the key C is like this. This is do number one, do number one, do number two. You have to know your do number two. This is do. You see, this is do number two. Number three. This is number three. Number three, do. Number four is here, do. Number five, this is number five, and this is number six, and the last one is here, number seven. So number seven, see. These do 7 patterns of the do I've shown you on the lead guitar. And if you are playing your solo, you have to make sure if you start from here, and come to this do, then come to this do, then come to this do. They come to this do. They come to this do. They come to this do. You see, I was able to play the freestyle on the do up to here. So the secret behind the solo is you have to learn the do chord on the C, the do. Where there is do, there is re, there is mi, there is fa, there is so, there is la, there is ti, there is do. So here there is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Here there is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Here there is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Here there is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Here there is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Here too there is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. And here too there is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So if you can play on this do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, transfer the same method. You see, transfer the same method to the next level. But one thing is the level of the playing, the patterns will change. Yeah, the way you play here is not the same thing you play here. It's 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 not the same thing you play here. You see, the way you play here, it will change. Yeah, it will change. It's going to change. So when you are soloing, what you have to do first, the secret is you have to do some exercise. Exercise on the do, re, mi, fa, so you play. This exercise I do re mi fa so do ti la so fa mi re they come here. same exercise. I come here. The same exercise. Then you come here. Then you come here. They come here. They come here. So you do this exercise do re mi fa so that you do. For you doing this exercise, you are going to develop the ability and the flexibility to play the solo, because if you don't do your do re mi fa so exercise on them, you can't move on them. And if after the do re mi fa so, take one song like "What a Friend We Have in Jesus." Yeah, you see. I've started the solo. Yes, you see, this is very amazing. You see, when I took the "What a Friend We Have in Jesus," you see, I was able to play the solo with my do re mi fa so up to this side, and it was very groovy. It was very groovy, and it was very interesting. But you have to take the melody of the song. The melody, you have to take the melody of the song. If you pick the melody of the song, that is where you hit the solo very well and very unique. You are going to hit it very well. So take the melody of the song, and that is where you hit the solo very well. So this is the secret behind guitar soloing. Try your best and learn it, and it's going to help you very much and very well. Thank you for watching, but please subscribe for more videos. Bye.